How's it going, you guys? Simply Joe here, and I'm with Aaron and How To's by Bros. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial of the Orange Justice dance. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing that you got to remember is that it's a basic left, right shimmy. Like a twist, you know what I'm saying? You seen that, what is that old 60 dance? They do the twist. That's all it is on the bottom, alright? Real simple. Brilliant. But the next thing that we're going to be doing, this is the hardest part too, is the movement for the hands. And all you need to do is remember that it's a cross, out, flip, out, cross, out, flip, out. And you just do it back and forth, over again. Nice and easy. Now, I know it's kind of hard to remember, but if you practice that, doing the twist, and then just doing the cross out, flip out, cross out, flip out, and getting comfortable with those two, and then mix them together, cross out, flip out, cross out, flip out, you're gonna get the Orange Justice dance, and you're gonna look super freaking cool on the dance floor. Anytime somebody's trying to battle, you're gonna win, bro, because you know how to do the best moves. Thank you for watching, you guys. This has been a How To's by Bros videos. I'm Simply Joe. Go ahead and check the link in the description. That'll go ahead and give you my channel, and I'll see you guys again. Peace.